Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how I made my fluffy, warm and very comfy earmuff. It's very easy, so let's get started. So we will be needed this base which is I made before, and then I am using fusy yarn, my 2.2 millimeter crochet hook, and of course my scissor. We will just starting by making chain of one, and then we insert your hook in that base, and then we will just do a single crochet around the base. So it's a bit tricky when you are using fusy yarn because you cannot see the whole of the stitch, but it gives the very different textures to your project when you finish it. And again, it's very fluffy and comfy when you use it. So along the way, I am hiding the tail of my fusy yarn. It's very easy. By the way, the base, I have the different videos on how I made the base. I will post the link in the comment section box if you want to use that. And this is also a recycled material that I am using as a base of my earmuff. So yeah, you just have to insert your hook in the stitch of your base and then yarn over and then pull through. So it's just a simple single crochet. And you have to keep doing that until you finish all the round of this sides of your earmuff. So I will zoom this in so you will see exactly what I am doing. So yeah, again, it's just a single crochet in each of the stitch of your base. And make it a bit tighter so that the fusy yarn, it will not keep moving, or it looks like tight, not loose. So yeah, just insert your hook in that stitch and then pull the yarn and then yarn over and then pull through. So keep repeating that until you will finish all the sides, all the stitch. So we're almost done in the one side of our earmuff, and we will also do that in the other side of our project. So again, it's very easy. It's just a single crochet around the base of our earmuff, and then we'll cover the head side of. So we're done for the one side. So I will make the other side off cam, and then I will be back when I'm making already the head parts of our EARMUFF. So now I am making the head part of our EARMUFF. So I am just covering the original look of that so that it will looks all the same. So I will just wrap around the yarn and make a single crochet. So make it a bit tighter so that it will not keep moving the fuse yarn. So you will do that till you reach at the other side of our EARMUFF. So we're done. So this is what it looks like now. So now I'm making the ears. So I use this wire. And we'll make it a bit roundish, no, oval for the ears of our rabbit. So I made two for the ears. So that's what it looks like. And then I will just wrap it with that fuse yarn by single crochet, sorry. I'll do a single crochet around it to hide the wire. And we will also do that in the one of the ears. So we're done for the ears, and I also made the other one off cam. So it's very cute. So we will just connect that. So this is what it looks, the two. So you don't have to wrap the remaining wire because it will just it will not be seen in that fuse yarn. Okay, sorry, I don't know how to speak English anymore. Okay, anyway, yeah, you will just connect that. There you go. So as simple as that, and then our muff is ready. And that's it, we're done. It's so fluffy, so good to touch, and it keeps your ear warm. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Have fun making your ear muff.